I have some very good news regarding the Dogecoin miner, the Neo. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, a couple of months ago, the pre-orders were open for the brand new Dogecoin miner, the Neo. And in my opinion, this miner is going to be absolutely amazing, but the good news is, the deliveries will start happening very soon. So soon on this channel, I'll be unboxing the Neo miner. I'll be plugging it in, putting it to work, and letting it make me some Dogecoin and some profits. Obviously, I will be doing an unboxing video. I will be plugging it up, testing it out, seeing how much Dogecoin it mines every single day, and all of that good stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for those videos. And for all of you that are interested in mining Dogecoin, I will have a link to the Neo miner in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You can order yours right now. The Neo miner is going to be small, compact, and hopefully very, very profitable. With the Neo miner, you'll be able to mine MXC and Dogecoin at the same time. Also, both MXC and Dogecoin can be traded on many different exchanges, such as Crypto.com, Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase Exchange, and many others. But personally, one of my favorite things about the Neo miner is the low power consumption. Using only 1 watt of power, Neo's power consumption is only 1/40th of a standard light bulb. So it pretty much doesn't waste any electricity. Also, it is pretty much silent, so you'll be able to mine in your home or in your office. I'm super excited that the Neo miners are about to be shipped. I cannot wait till I get mine and I start testing it out. Also, the Neo miner is not like other miners where you have to set up graphic cards, where you have to set up antennas and a ton of other stuff. With the Neo miner, you simply plug it in and you're ready to go. You'll have an app that you'll be able to see the progress, you'll be able to see the profits and all of that stuff. Also, over the last couple of weeks, we have seen the rebirth of the meme coins. We have seen Pepe make millionaires. So I'm hoping we have this mini rally of meme coins, and I'm hoping Dogecoin pumps so this miner can make us even more money. And when we go on CoinMarketCap, you will see that Dogecoin is slightly over 8 cents. It is up over 2% on the day. When we look at the chart for 2023, you will see that Dogecoin is pretty much flat. It went from 7 cents all the way to 9.5 cents, then pulled back, then rallied up to 9 cents again, and now it is pretty much ranging between 7 and 10 cents. But when we take a look at the all-time chart, you will see the massive Dogecoin rally in the last bull run, and then the massive correction right after. But now it looks like Dogecoin has found the bottom. It is pretty much flattening out. Hopefully, over time, Dogecoin will make another big run. And I'm hoping the Neo miner delivers and mines me a ton of Dogecoin that I will pretty much hold on until the next bull run returns. And hopefully Dogecoin has another massive run. And when we take a look at the price of MXC, you will see that it is slightly under 2 cents. And it is up 0.27 on the day. The market cap is only 46 million. When we take a look at the all-time chart, you will see from 2021 all the way to mid-2022, MXC was pretty much running. Now it has had a massive correction. And with a market cap of only 46 million, if this Neo miner is a huge success, who knows, the MXC token itself might start pumping once again. I don't think it is a bad idea to buy some MXC under 2 cents and then wait for these miners to start being delivered, wait for the rally to kick in, and hopefully MXC makes a nice little recovery that could potentially make us some profits. And from everything that I have read online, it looks like the Neo miner will pay for itself in about 2 to 6 months, which is definitely a good ROI. So that pretty much concludes this quick update video. If you're interested in the Neo miner, link will be in the description box below. If you found the video helpful or you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. And as always, do your own research, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.